Too many people are intimidated by learning Arabic because of the myth that Arabic is one of the most difficult and complex languages in the world. Hurūf La'b exists to correct that misconception by making the Arabic script tactile, accessible, and playful. It's a wooden puzzle that makes Arabic script buildable, so learners understand the written system by assembling it.
Here's the core problem. Arabic is cursive, so letters change shape depending on where they appear in a word. For a beginner, that creates alphabet anxiety and makes reading and spelling feel harder than it is.
This is the letter ba. It makes the same sound as the English consonant B. In this image, ba is in its isolated form, touching nothing on the left and nothing on the right. These other three pieces are also ba, and together they represent the same sound, but in the four contextual forms. By breaking cursive into parts, our puzzle reduces the cognitive load needed to sound out, read, and spell Arabic words.
After 2 months of development, we decided to host an event to show off our product for the first time and get feedback. Playtesting with native speakers and absolute beginners has validated our minimum viable product. One playtester told us, "I was amazed to see non-Arabic speakers so quickly understand the alphabet and how the letters are formed."
Now that our MVP is validated, we're building the full learning ecosystem. Teacher video guides, a companion Daftar workbook, and future AR phonics support, all while refining packaging and production.
We're entering the VenturePack Challenge to scale beyond Raleigh.
We are requesting $9,500 to finish prototyping and start production, travel to teachers' conferences, and develop our AR app. Also, hundreds of teachers and students can use Hurūf La'b.